on Messenger and left a comment on my previous video, the unboxing video. And if you haven't checked it out yet, I will leave a link up here or in the description box, and make sure to check that out. I received a couple of questions regarding my MacBook, and I will answer those questions in this video, and at the same time I will be reviewing it. And this review will come from a student, since I am a student and I do basic tasks like in Microsoft Office, yung Word, PowerPoint, and Google Chrome when opening PDF files, and I use it for Google Meet, and then I use it for Zoom since I have ballet classes and we do it in Zoom. And I also do my requirements on my laptop, and I sometimes edit my videos on it. And yeah, so I will also tell my feedbacks and recommendation regarding the laptop, and if you want to hear those, just keep on watching. And just a disclaimer guys, I'm not a techie person or an expert in that field. I will just share my experience with the laptop and say my review about it as a student. The details of my MacBook is yung processor niya i5, and then it has 8GB of RAM, and then yung storage niya is 256GB, and yung color niya is gold. And also guys, I've been using this laptop for almost a month now. So this review will have different parts. So the first thing that we are going to talk about is its appearance. And look how pretty yung laptop. Like super plain lang niya tingnan, pero super pretty pa rin. Is yung lightness niya, like super light niya. Ang nagpapabigat lang ata now is yung case niya sa ilalim, and hindi ko siya matest na ilagay sa bag kasi maliliit lang yung bags ko, hindi kasya yung laptop, and super light lang niya dalhin. And then lastly is yung kung gaano siya kanipis, like super nipis niya guys. Also, yung color guys, super ganda ng color. Hindi siya gold actually, parang siyang rose gold. And yun, basically yun yung appearance niya, and super nice lang siya tingnan. And then, the next one is yung display niya. I will show videos of when I'm watching Netflix, I'm viewing files, and watching YouTube videos. And I can tell na it's super nice, and the camera doesn't give justice on how it looks like. And yung display na sinasabi ko is how yung eto mismo, yung display, basta yung display, and I can tell super clear, super nice, and super vivid yung colors. And also, may true tone display siya. So, parang nag-a-adjust daw siya sa lighting kung nasan ka, like if mag-brighten up siya or hindi, ganun. And ang ganda manood ng Netflix dito kasi parang ang clear, ganun. And also, kapag nanonood ka ng videos, parang siyang 4K videos, you know, yung quality 4K, ganon. And kasi super clear siya, and then when I edit videos, kapag papanoorin ko na siya, like clear pa rin siya, and generally super nice yung display niya. And yeah, and the next part that we are going to talk about is yung keyboard niya. And guys, super ganda ng keyboard niya, like black lang siya, plain black, and then yung backlit keyboard, like that. And then, super nice mag-type dito. Like, super smooth and super... Basta, super ganda mag-type dito. Nakaka-enjoy gumawa ng requirements. Pero not really. Pero nakaka-enjoy pa rin mag-type. Like, super smooth, ganon. And then, hindi siya ganon kaingay. And ito na pala yung bagong Magic Keyboard. Kasi yung previous models daw ng MacBook is medyo may faulty keyboard. So, ito na yung bago. And I would not recommend using the keyboard protector. Kasi nung ginagamit ko, parang naka-stuck yung keys sa loob. Parang nakakulong siya. Tapos nung tinanggal ko, super nice pala mag-type. So, mas na-enjoy ko and super smooth talaga mag-type. And kasama nung keyboard is yung trackpad. And yung trackpad is super nice kasi mabilis yung response niya and sakto lang yung size. Although, naawa ako sa kanya kapag pinapress ko ng matagal kasi feeling ko masisira siya. Kaya bumili ako ng mouse. Pero, okay lang naman din gamitin to. Pero, overall, yung part na to ng laptop, yung part na to is super nice and super smooth to use. Okay guys, so yung next part is yung camera and I can say na it has a low quality for an Apple product kasi imagine super gaganda ng camera ng iPhones and then yung iPad maganda din yung camera tapos yung MacBook hindi ganun kaganda yung camera kasi 720p lang yung quality and it's not really good and I will show how it looks like and how nag-work yung mic ng laptop. So guys, this is how the camera looks like and I'm in front of a window so medyo okay yung lighting niya. And this is what the mic sounds like or how it works. And yes, here actually, okay naman siya with good lighting. Kaso with good lighting lang. And kapag madilim, of course, hindi rin maganda. And yung mic, it works well. They can see me well naman and they can hear me well and it works just fine. Yung next part is yung sounds or yung speakers ng laptop and I will be showing clips of when I'm watching videos or listening to Spotify. And guys, the speakers has a nice quality, like loud siya. Meron siyang speakers ng phone, parang same lang din siya. It's good when you're listening to Spotify and watching videos kasi malakas nga siya and okay siya pakinggan, like not masakit sa tenga, ganun. And then, generally, it's nice. Like, it's nice naman talaga. Like, and I would definitely recommend this laptop if you're just going to watch videos, watch Netflix, ganun.
It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag up.
How many more of these to go, Detective? I'm starting to think our killer grows.
Try and get known. Hope you free your soul.
Yung next part is yung battery. And ang napansin ko lang is super bilis siya mag-charge. Mabilis siya compared sa phone and sa iPad. Then, super tagal niya malubat. Like, pwede siya for a whole day. Tinry ko siya na gamitin like morning 100% and then at night hindi pa rin siya nalulubat. And then guys, I will show you something like kapag Google Meet or Zoom, mabilis ma-drain yung battery which I think is normal naman since nakaka-drain naman yun ng battery. But generally guys, yung battery niya, it works well and maganda siya for whole day usage and hindi siya nakaka-drain kapag normal task lang and super bilis lang niya mag-charge. So, ang next part is yung editing, like when I edit a video or picture or a requirement, ganun. And with pictures and Canva, it works well, hindi siya naglalag and hindi siya nagsuslow down and it works smoothly, ganun. Pero when it comes to video editing, I would not recommend this laptop kasi it gets hot when editing and saving a video. Pero with pictures, it's fine. And with videos, it's fine naman. Pero if you have patience to work with yung medyo umiinit. So, we're almost done. And yung next part is yung performance ng MacBook. Like, overall performance niya. And I tried yung multiple tabs open. And hindi siya bumabagal. Hindi rin siya umiinit. Hindi siya naglalag or something like that. And when you're using using the laptop, it works smoothly. Like, hindi siya nag-slow down, hindi siya naglalag, or nagpo-pop up mga issues, ganun. And it works just fine and smoothly. Although, I would not recommend this for heavy tasks user. I would recommend the MacBook Pro for like editing videos, editing other stuff, and Photoshop, ganun. Pero, okay naman siya sa MacBook, pero I feel like mas maganda siya gawin sa Pro, ganun. So, ang next part is yung overheating. And, guys, kapag super basic task lang, hindi siya umiinit. Pero, kapag, kunyari, editing videos, it gets hot, pero hindi siya nag-overheat na like, ay, napasok, gano'n. Hindi siya gano'n. Like, mainit lang, tapos mag-feel mo lang yung init, and hindi siya overheat. Although, maririnig mo yung fan na mag-on, which will eventually cool down yung laptop, and yun na yun. Like, umiinit din siya kapag nag-Google Meet ako. And lastly, guys, overall na to, I would recommend this to students like me for a basic task user, ganun. And the performance is great, and parang na-provide niya kung ano kailangan mong gawin. Like, yung mga Microsoft Word, Google Meet, ganun. And I can say that it is a nice laptop with a cute color. It's nice yung battery, it's nice yung display, it's nice yung appearance, it's nice yung color, it's nice yung keyboard and trackpad, it's nice yung battery, it's nice, and lahat, basta lahat, it's nice. And I would really recommend this to students talaga. And also yung iba din for work from home, ganun. It's okay then to use for that stuff. So my experience with this laptop for a month has been nice and smooth, and no issues encountered, ganun. No, I said nice super daming times, pero it is super nice talaga. And I hope this video helped you, kahit super nice lang yung sinasabi ko. I hope it helped you choose your laptop and choose your MacBook. So that's it, guys. That's my review for the MacBook, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you liked it. And if you do, press the like button down below and comment if you have any further questions regarding this MacBook, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and that would be every week. And lastly, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye!